depends in which industry that you're working in. Now, the reason why I'm in the healthcare sector is because, firstly, I knew that being in the healthcare sector would mean there's always going to be a requirement for healthcare staffing, because just on a very simple basis, the way I think is we are human beings, and we are most likely we are going to fall ill. So there's always going to be a requirement for doctors and nurses and so on. There will always be a need for elderly care because we all age. So there's always going to be a constant supply. That's what, a couple of the reasons why I decided to go into the healthcare market. And the healthcare market, as long as there's people, there's always going to be a market for that, and you will always need to be able to supply. So this market, in my opinion, is currently the best and has always been a great market for anybody, whether you're new or old or new or have experience in recruitment, to come in and to establish yourself as a business if you so wish to.